Hi everyone, it's Jerry here again, and I was just sent this really cool tool. This here is the KELVIN 23, and I was actually really impressed. I've actually had a chance to kind of mess with this a little bit. It comes in a variety of colors. I was sent the pink one, but this is a nice compact tool that actually has 23 different functionalities in this. I mean, I'm honestly blown away. They've got a liquid level that is built into the top. Undo this here, you've actually got 15 bits that can actually interchange out with the front, which has another bit, which gives you 16 bits, and that's operated by pushing down on this to flip out for a screwdriver, which is incredible because you can use it like a normal screwdriver or lock it in a 90-degree angle and it locks in place so you can turn those tight places. Has a magnet on the side if you need to hold on to extra screws, which is really cool. Built-in flashlight. I mean, this is like a Swiss Army knife of tools, which is really neat. It's got a built-in hammer. You can hammer things with this end and even a measuring tape. So this has everything that you'd need. This would be a great gift for college students or any handyman person in your life that wants to have a nice compact package that they can take with them anywhere they want to go.